Welcome back to Juggling Gym. I'm starting a mini-series on intermediate ball juggling tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how to do slam throws, the Boston Shuffle, the slow shuffle, and the regular shuffle. Special shout out to this person for requesting the tutorial. You should be able to juggle 3 balls pretty consistently without having to reach for any of the balls. You should also be able to juggle it really low. You should also just have general juggling experience. You should already know some beginner tricks like juggler's tennis, 4-2-3, and columns. A slam throw is where you catch the ball around its peak and then you throw it through the pattern diagonally. Practice doing slam throws with both hands. It's pretty straightforward, just make sure that you don't throw the ball too hard. You still want to be able to catch it. First, I'm going to make a regular throw with a green ball. At the same time, I've been moving my hand into position to make the slam throw. After I make the slam throw, I use a claw catch to catch the green ball. I don't have a tutorial for claw catches, but I'm going to briefly go over it now. In a claw catch, you catch with your hand facing down, and you catch the ball when it's at its peak, not waiting for it to fall down into your hand. The key to doing claw catches is that you don't just slap it down like that. Instead, you want to move with the ball. After you make the claw catch, you just flip your wrist up, and then you make a regular throw like that. Once you do the 2-ball exercise on both sides, you're basically doing the Boston Shuffle with the hole in it. The slam throw can be pretty hard to catch, so make sure there are no gaps between your fingers. Then go for a one-off trick. Make sure to practice this on both sides. The Boston Shuffle is just doing slam throws in a tennis pattern. Every third throw will be a slam throw. This means that one ball, the red ball, will always be slammed, and the other 2 balls will always be made with regular throws. I actually think it's pretty helpful to start by doing every 4th throw instead of going directly to every 3rd throw, because it's actually a pretty fast pattern. Once that feels comfortable, you can do the full Boston Shuffle. It's also helpful to think of 2 balls as a unit. Every time I throw the green ball, I know that I have to move my hand up to slam the red ball. Make sure that your palm is facing the ground when you do the slam throw. It makes the slam look more interesting and dramatic. A good way to get ready for the full shuffle is a slow shuffle, where every other throw from one hand is a slam throw. Finally, I'm going to show you how to do the full shuffle, where every throw from one hand is a slam throw. This is a really fast trick, and it's more of an advanced trick, but it's so similar to the other tricks that I thought I would put it in the tutorial. Try to slowly increase the number of back-to-back slam throws that you do from one hand. The hand that does the slam throws is constantly facing the ground. It does claw catch, slam throw, claw catch, slam throw. It's a really fast trick, so just keep working at it. As you do the trick more and more, you're going to start getting the rhythm for it, and you're going to see a little gap where you can do the slam throw. I might do a longer tutorial just on the shuffle later, but for now I just wanted to show it to you so you can get started if you want. Next week, I'm going to show you how to do the shower, the high-low shower, and the shower switch, so hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Keep practicing and have fun.